Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and this is Make Money with Video. Now I'm going to show you today some proof of what my earnings are, and I'm going to show you some channels what are doing the exact same thing, so you can have a look with the different variety. Yeah. Now this is my channel here. I show you how to make money with video. I'm just a beginner like yourself, so everything I learn I try to upload for you guys, as well as trying to build an empire for my sons. If you want to come and have a look at the channel, by all means, but let's get into it, guys, and let's have a look at some of the other channels. Now this channel, as you can see, they're just putting text, a little bit of text and with a picture in the background. Yeah, it's just a simple background image, yeah, with a bit of text in. Yeah, and if you have a look, they're making between $31 and $502 a month, guys. Yeah, no, it's not much, but it's better than nothing. This one, they're doing a few different backgrounds with different text going up and down the screen. Now these ones, guys, are the ones I'm going to show you next on my channel. Now before we go, this one is making between 49 and 790. This is called F List. The other channel, if you want to check it out, it's called Natural Health. So that's two different niches, guys. Now this one, if you look, you've got like text, different backgrounds, text in the, yeah, and as you can see, you've got like your red and that, you've got your ones without the border, got the one with bigger writing in the middle of the screen. Now all these you can make over on Vidnami. Before you go, guys, I'm going to show you some of my earnings. Now this is off one of my videos, and as let me just get that back on. As you can see, I've ended up getting 51,000 views, and I've made £45. And as you can see by here, the video is getting better and better. So hopefully the money's going to go up. Now another video has got 92,000 views, and it's made me £69. This is pounds, yeah, not dollars. So I'm not sure how to work that out, guys. But as you can see, the video is getting better and better. Another one, guys, is at 90,000. It's made me 123. Now this one started off a bit slow, and it's gradually got better and better, and then it just took off there, gotten a bit viral. Then my best one, guys, is look at this one. It's made almost 900,000 views, yeah, and it's made me £774 so far. It goes up and up and up and up, yeah. Now, granted, this doesn't happen overnight, guys, and I'm not trying to fib you and say it does, but the program I use is called Vidnami, yeah? And these are the kind of videos you can make. You can make content videos, presenter videos, instant ads, sales videos, which you can make these for your YouTube. You can make them with so different formats here. You've got all different formats, your landscape and your square. Yeah, for YouTube you use landscape. For YouTube, for Facebook you'll use square. So you can make ads. Yeah, like you see on Facebook when you scroll down, you can make ads, and then you can sell these. You can go into like your influencer websites like your Fiverr, your Influencer, your Upwork. Yeah, and you can sell them. You can make your own little gigs up on Fiverr and sell these. You can approach different businesses. You can make training course or training videos, property videos. Yeah, go on Facebook on the Messenger, type in on search bar, look for like estate agents. Yeah, and you can make some videos for them. And all you do, guys, it's quite simple. So we're just going to quickly show you. Just choose any, yeah, guys. So let's, for instance, use this template, and you come up, brings you to a screen like this. So you just put in a title. So say, for instance, we'll write in how to make money for beginners, yeah, and then we'll also just type it there. We'll just write 5 steps to. Okay. I always leave a space, guys. Just making this up as we go. But it's rubbish, yeah. You can go over to your website. If you've got a website, you just copy your script, paste it here, guys. Yeah. You press that, create scenes, and it'll generate. And what the good thing is about this, guys, it will generate the video for you. It will grab images for like from the like, I don't know, their upload, their media, yeah, and it finds it for you. If you don't want to use this, you can come over here and I'll just put it on the bigger screen, guys. You come over here and you can search. So you can put it like, it gives you a few like clip. You can click that, scroll down here, pick whichever video you want, and that's how easy it is, guys. This text, if you don't want to, you can adjust the background. So if you want to move it up and down, yeah. If you want to zoom in and that, you can. Change the text position. If you want it in there, you can have it there. You might want it. Sorry, guys. You might want it up there. Yeah. Then you come down to the next bit of writing, and it takes, look, 5 steps. So you can have a baby steps. You can, I don't know, choose a different video if you want. If you don't want video, guys, you can put up. You can click on images. If you want to upload your own videos or images, you can do. And then you come down to the next one, saying start here. If you want to change that, you can. Step 1. Then when it's all done, you click done, and then you can add a music only. If you don't want a voice track, you can. You can add your auto voice. And what's good, you've got lots of different people from like different countries with different accents, yeah. So for instance, I'm from the UK. I'll pick Harry. You play a sample of it if you want, and if you listen, it sounds pretty good.
Hi, my name is Harry, and I would love to read the script for your video.
Yeah.
So sit back. Hi, my name is Harry, and
forget it, Harry. Right, or you can record your own, guys. I'll just quickly show you how easy it is. You can just go bounce down, and then you go how to make money on YouTube for beginners. You can play it. How to make money on YouTube for beginners. If you're happy with that, click next. Record your next one. Count down again. 5 steps to making money. And then you just do that, guys. You can play it back, yeah. 5 steps to making money. If you don't want, but like I said, you go back to that, and if you want to preview your video, guys, it'll quickly create it for you. And then you can test it out if you think it looks good, or you can put music on as well, guys. So you can choose different moods. So if you want it to be an inspiring one, yeah. It's got lots of different ones, guys. Or you can upload your own music if you want. You can add a watermark. So if you're contacting like clients and that, and you don't want them to rob your video, you can put different watermarks on, guys. Then they don't nick it, they don't steal it. Got other options. You can turn the music volume down, the voice track, yeah. And then you press start. If it looks good, you press start, guys. And that is for Vidnami. But the good thing is, guys, right, today up until Friday the 26th, they've got an offer on where you can get 40% off, yeah, off the lifetime deal. Now, I will put links in the description, and in the first link there will be this offer, and with the offer you get lots of extra stuff. I will you get like free SEO blueprints. You get some how to start a YouTube course and scale it and that, guys. You get some like other marketing material, how to promote it and stuff like that. But like I said, I will put that link in the description. It's a great offer, guys. 40% off, yeah, and you get loads of free bonuses. The second link, I will give you a free 2-week trial, so you can test it out. You can make as many videos as you want. You can upload them to your channel. You can promote them. You can sell them on the sites. You can contact clients and you can sell them that way, guys. Right? And if after your 2 weeks you don't want it, fine. You don't have to do, mate, guys. I'm gonna call you mate then. Just get rid of it, right? But if you decide you want it, you sign up, guys. But you won't get that 40% off. So the third link is 25% off, which is I've got that. They've given it me to give you guys. Yeah, so it's 25% off. You get all those free bonuses as well, but it's only 25% off. This bonus they've got, what's going on today until Friday, it ends. It's just every now and again they do this. So this is why I'm making this video. So there's 3 links, guys. The first link is the 40% off. The second link is the 2-week free trial where you get 14 days to test it out and see if you like it. And then the third option is the one what I'm going to offer you guys at 25%. Hopefully you will choose option 1 because that's the better deal for you guys. Yeah. They are affiliate links, so I will make a commission if you sign up. If you decide you don't want it, that's perfectly fine, guys. But this is a great way and an easy way to make videos. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to speak if you don't want to, but I've shown you how easy it is. And then other channels are doing it as well. You've seen my channels. You've seen some of my earnings. Guys, it's a great way. Don't miss out on this. There is lots of other YouTube channels doing the same way. When I find them, I will upload them and show you guys. So thanks very much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will help the channel. And comment below if you like Vidnami and like this video. And good luck, guys. Hopefully you will start to do good. Sorry, guys, one more thing. If you want to build your channel and you're not really sure how to do it on YouTube, there is a course you can come and get, and the link for this is in the description. Let me just show you something. This course, look, it's got me here, and it's saying this is one of my YouTube channels, and it shows some of my earnings. Yeah, guys. The course is called. It's called YouTube Passive Success, guys, and it's from a guy called Mark. He's doing really good. He's taught me a lot of things, and it's where I'm constantly watching his videos and learning and doing his course. He goes through it all. It's 24. You can learn at your own pace. Shows you the groundwork, how to passive income, which is pretty much what you do once you upload. You're making money, guys. It's awesome. Yeah, it's only that. It's $97. It's usually $297, but he's doing it today for $97, and it shows you all the different strategies. It shows you lots of different like what he's earned. There's lots of testimonials down here, including like I said, myself, and it shows you an overview of everything what's in this course, guys. It's a great course. Like I said, it's how I started to do good. Blueprint, how to start properly, the fast method, keyword research, creating the channel, videos made easy, the upload process, get more views, money module. Yeah, guys, and just scroll back up. Like I said, before I started this course, guys, I was making £8, £8, £23, right? But within this month of July is when I bought the course, and then you can see the month after 178, then it goes up, then it goes down a little bit, and it just kept going up and up, guys. That's how my channel started to do good. So, going to leave you now, guys. Stop taking. Click the link for Vidnami. Check it out, guys. And thanks very much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. Thank you very much for watching. This is how to make money with video. Until next time, guys. Goodbye.